And our Stormwatch 12 team told us we'd have a cooler, rainy Friday, and we did. Now let's check in with meteorologist Oliver Smith to see what's next in our weather forecast.
Well, we're going to have some more activity coming up in the next couple of days, but things will get a little bit interesting in the 7-day forecast. We'll talk about that here in a little bit, but rainfall for today, a little over 2/10 of an inch in Brookings. About 1/4 of an inch here in Medford, a little bit less up towards Grants Pass, also down towards Mount Shasta City. But east of Cascades didn't really pick up a whole lot of rain today, but Lakeview did pick up 1200s. Now, pretty much we are looking at the showers completely dissipating. There's a few still into the foothills right now at this time, but those will eventually taper on off. Our next system is offshore. It's going to essentially follow the lines, move right into northwestern Oregon and into southern Oregon. So we're going to be looking at rain eventually throughout the day tomorrow. Not a significant amount because the system is going to weaken a little bit by the time it moves in. Current temperatures right now into the 30s east of the Cascades. We're looking at 40s and 50s west of the Cascades. A pair of 50s for Grants Pass and Medford. A little bit cooler 42 in Mount Shasta City. 47 right now in Brookings. So you should drop off to 42 for tonight. We'll be right around 40 degrees here in the Rogue Valley, even though we're going to see the cloud cover. At least temperatures will cool off at least somewhat for tonight. A little bit cooler mid to upper 30s into the Shasta Valley. East of the Cascades, we're going to be looking at upper 20s and low 30s. So if you're planning your day for tomorrow, maybe walking the dog or any kind of activities you want to do in the morning, that's going to be the driest time because we'll have that chance of rain developing into the afternoon. We're not going to see a whole lot of rain overall. We're going to be generally looking at 1/10 of an inch or less for most locations, and that's going to be the Cascades west. Cascades east, or the eastern part of the Cascades, not going to pick up hardly anything at all. Forecast for tomorrow, 50s east of the Cascades, right around 60 degrees, so pretty similar temperatures to what we saw today, and still low 50s along the Oregon coast. So it's cloudy right now. It's going to stay cloudy tonight, and we're going to have plenty of clouds also for tomorrow. But once we get towards the morning hours, we're going to start seeing the leading edge of that weak system move through our region, giving us some of that rain early in the morning and into the afternoon as well. Now, eventually, it'll try to push east of the Cascades. It's going to have a hard time making it east of the Cascades. It's not a particularly strong storm. Now, by the time we get towards Sunday morning, again, a lot of showers. We'll see a lot of the clouds. We'll see the showers mostly along the Oregon coast. But Sunday, it actually could be a pretty nice day for most of the region. There's still a slight chance of seeing some showers, but most of the rain stays up to the north, but it will be a bit on the breezy side. Now, you can notice here in terms of Monday, this looks like a really strong system, but it's actually not. It's going to be most of the energy is going to be up to the north. So we'll have a chance of some showers, but it's not going to be another significant event again. But it will bring some more wind east of the Cascades as well. Here is a look at the winds we're going to be looking at for tomorrow. Anywhere gusts between 20 to 30 miles an hour east of the Cascades and along the Oregon coast. But for Sunday, it becomes a little bit more widespread. Same kind of range in terms of what we're going to be looking at, about 25 to 20 to 30 miles an hour for east of the Cascades and even here into the Rogue Valley as well. Monday, though, a little bit stronger wind. We could be looking at wind gusts maybe 40, 45 miles an hour east of the Cascades from a stronger system that'll be passing us up to the north. There's that system rolling into the region as we go through Sunday and Monday. Most of the energy, again, does stay up to the north, but Tuesday morning, though, we could be looking at some frost in parts of the western valleys. I don't think Medford will get cold enough for that, but just keep that in mind for that particular morning. Then it warms up and it kind of dries out, but we're kind of in a between systems, and for the latter part of the week, there's some indications that we could get really warm and some indications that we could have still some showers. So the debate's still out on that, but in terms of the Oregon coast forecast, temperatures in the 50s and 60s for the next several days. And we do have a chance of rain every single day. Northern California, you're not going to see much rain because most of the energy is going to be well up to the north. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s, although peaking on Thursday, and that's your one chance of rain, and that's not very big. For the Klamath Basin, same scenario. Your only chance of rain will be next Thursday. Otherwise, it'll be a bit on the breezy and blustery side, but temperatures fairly seasonal. Cascades, we'll see some snow, especially for tomorrow and on Monday, but most of the rest of the week, just a few showers, not really significant activity. Rogue Valley, same kind of scenario. Chance of rain for tomorrow, Sunday and Monday, for the most part, should be dry. Our next chance, maybe the end of the week, but that's still up for debate.